hail before.
Yeah.
Oh, no, there's bigger one.
Whoa. I got the video up. That's what I was trying to look for. Oh God. Oh no, now it's starting to get heavy. Damn it, autofocus. Oh, come on, autofocus. I'm getting like tiny bits of hail. I think they're still dropping. Yeah, it's still dropping. Getting a hailstorm. Dad, you were right. Lucky number 11. This is what I was looking for. We actually got hail. We got hail for a little bit. I think it's stopped now. A lot of flights postponed because of the storm. Jesus. Doesn't look too good. Right over here, I got what I want. Looks like the hail stopped falling. Looks like the hail stopped falling. Sorry? Let's go. Oh my God, I can't believe we got hail. Still, doesn't matter. It might start to get heavier once we go ahead and go around over here. I might get some more hail. Can't believe we got hail. That was my first experience hail in the car. Luckily it didn't damage it. Luckily it didn't damage anything. It was just small bits, it wasn't like golf ball sized. Yeah, that's like the largest I've seen only. I want to see a little larger. I think marble was like the largest one I've seen. It's not like in Chinchilla where they had like cricket ball. It's not like in Chinchilla where they had like cricket ball size.
No, that's not good.
Yep, I think it's all finished. Well, that was a little crazy. I'm gonna stop the video.